Hi there guys, this is Sirujit, your best friend in internet marketing, and today I'm talking to you from a very beautiful place. It's an amazing place. I'm really enjoying it, but I haven't stopped working for you. I'm still working just as usual, and I want to talk to you today about a project, about a product that's very close to me. It's very special because this is again something that is an industry first. There is nothing like this in the market. It's the industry's first WhatsApp automation app. You know how cool WhatsApp is right now. People are selling everything on WhatsApp, right from cosmetics, food, clothes to products and services. Whatever can be sold is being sold on WhatsApp. And people are looking for a solution that will help them do their WhatsApp marketing better. And this is it. WhatDroid is it. This is a unique product that will automate all of WhatsApp marketing, right from message scheduling, mailing, messaging to collection of people to message sequences, just like an email autoresponder. This product has everything. This is the first product of its kind in the market, so you can imagine people are clamoring for something like this. They will love it when you promote it to them. They will buy it, and you can expect some great conversions, great commissions. And don't forget, I've got the $10,000 in prizes for you to claim. So it's going to be a great promo for you. I can guarantee that. As usual, things are going to be top notch on my launches. The sales page is going to be great. The sales video is going to be great. The copy is going to convert. You're going to get high EPCs. And I will make sure that the product is amazing, just as usual. And there is solid service backing it up. So get behind me on this promo. It's going to be a great promo for you. You're going to love the results. You're going to have great commissions. And it's going to be a product that will make your customers love you even more. Guys, if you need anything for this promotion, for WhatDroid, talk to me. I will get you everything you need. And I will make sure that you make the maximum amount of commission and prizes on this launch. And when you have a launch of your own, talk to me. I will be backing you up. This is Sirujit, your best friend in internet marketing, signing off. Looking forward to talking to you.